Consider yourself pretty tech savvy? Well, did you know what incredibly valuable material is hiding inside most hard disks? They do over at the Archimedes channel, and they're walking us through how they extract gold, in this case from 500,000 hard disks. And it all starts by taking those connection points and soaking them for a week in a 68% nitric acid solution. That's 5 liters of it mixed with 5 liters of water. Then it's run through a colander, making sure to only let the gold dust and gold particulate through to remove any remaining scrap metal that are considered impurities. In this case, a magnet from the hard drive itself used, and just check that out, pulling up that scrap. From there, important to rinse that solution. So it's rinsed out, and then the gold is dried as well. And to add to that, an Aqua Regia solution needs to be created. This is dangerous. 1 part nitric acid, 3 parts hydrochloric acid, and check that out. The gloves and mask on. But those are fumes you do not want to be near. Once the solution has done its job and everything is settled, it's time to filter it through some cotton wool, carefully poured through. And you can watch as it's now considerably clearer. To help the gold settle as sediment at the bottom of the solution, after being rinsed, some sodium metabisulfite is added until the saturation point is reached. Once that's done, and the sediment at the bottom looks like this dusty brown color, you'll want to pour out that solution, making sure not to accidentally pour out the sediment. From there, you can rinse it 5 times with hot water, making sure any residues come off the surface of that gold dust, and then dry it out completely. Here done with a hot blow gun. And while that looks a little brown, what it actually is fairly pure gold. Now it needs to be heated up, in this case an induction heater and a graphite crucible used. And just look at that, glowing. Don't forget the rest of it, a little added at a time, and then in the end a little borax added to help further purify it and help it to bond. Now, time to carefully remove that crucible and tap it out and take a look at that. Still red hot, but just wait till it cools down. Now rinsed 1 more time in the solution of 2 parts nitric acid and 1 part water. What you get in the end is a beautiful little nugget of gold. But for 500,000 hard disks, how much do you get? Not bad. For some. Pretty incredible, though, that there's that much gold hiding in computers.